Alright, so in this video, I'm solving the equation 4 to the power of x plus 1 plus 4 to the power of 3 minus x is equal to 257. So I'm going to first start by using the property a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So I get 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of 1 plus 4 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of negative x is equal to 257. Now from here, I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 to the power of x. So the 4 to the power of x distributes on my left-hand side, and I get 4 to the power of x squared times 4 plus 4 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of x times 4 to the power of negative x, which is just 1. And this is equal to 257 times 4 to the power of x. Now I'm going to let the variable y equal 4 to the power of x. So I get y squared times 4, which is 4y squared, plus 4 to the power of 3, which is 64, is equal to 257y. And now if I subtract both sides by 257y, these two cancel out, and I get 4y squared minus 257y plus 64 is equal to 0. Now from here, I can use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I get y is equal to negative of negative 257 plus or minus the square root of negative 257 squared minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 64, all over 2a, so 2 times 4. Now, this turns into y equals 257, positive 257, plus or minus the square root of negative 257 squared, which, if I put in my calculator, is equal to 68,619 minus 16 times 64, which is 1,024, squared that all over 8. So now 68,619 minus 1,024 is 67,595. So I have the square root of 67,595 over 8. And the square root of 68,795, or sorry, 67,595 is 260. So I get y is equal to 257 plus or minus 260 over 8. So I get y is equal to 257 plus 260 over 8. And y is equal to 257 minus 260 over 8. So I get y is equal to 517 over 8, and y is equal to negative 3 over 8. So these are my two solutions for y. Now remember how we let y equal 4 to the power of x. So this means that 4 to the power of x is equal to 517 over 8, and 4 to the power of x is equal to negative 3 over 8. Well, you can't take the power of a positive number and make it equal negative, so there's no solution to this, meaning This is the only solution that we have. And to solve this, I'm going to take the log of both sides. So I get log 4 to the power of x is equal to log 517 over 8, meaning x is equal to log of 517 over 8 over log of 4. And to get the exact solution of this, I'm going to put this in my calculator. So the log of 517 over 8 is equal to 0.339, and log of 4 is equal to 0.602. So 0.339 divided by 0.602 is equal to 0.563. So this is my solution.